Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. We are on our day 4 of our Tokyo-Osaka trip and today we're going to Disney Sea. Hi guys! For day 4, we are going to Disney Sea. We bought our tickets directly at their website and paid 8,950 pesos for 3 packs. So sabi ko nga guys, on my previous vlogs, we are staying at Appa Hotel Tokyo Bay Shomi, which is only 3 stations away from Disneyland. So from our hotel, we rode only the Keio line going to Maihama Station. Pero since today we are going to Disney Sea, we also rode the Disney Resort Liner instead of walking from Maihama Station to Disney Sea. Mas malayo kasi ang Disney Sea compared to Disneyland from Maihama Station. When I was planning the itinerary, it was supposed to be Disney Sea and to Disneyland on 3 consecutive days. But we have to move Disney Sea a day earlier kasi yung Kidzania na gusto ng anak ko only has their English day during Wednesdays. Ayaw naman namin paghiwalayin yung dalawang Disneyland days kasi baka mawala yung momentum namin sa Disneyland. That's why I'd rather move the Disney Sea since different theme park naman siya. Just to give you a bit of a background guys, Disney Sea recently opened a new area which is yung Fantasy Springs, which consists of the Frozen, Tangled, and Peter Pan rides. They just opened June 6th and we were there June 11. So medyo bago pa talaga si Fantasy Springs kaya naman restricted pa ang pagpasok sa area. You either need to have a standby pass, eto yung pipila ka ng mahaba pero meron din itong QR code or you have to buy Disney Premier Access or DPA for one of the rides in order for you to enter the Fantasy Springs area. Yung DPA or the Disney Premier Access, good as a priority or fast pass siya. So kung may pila man, maiksi lang ang pila and mas priority kayo sa pila. So in short guys, kung wala kayong QR codes for standby pass or DPA to one of the rides in Fantasy Springs, you will not be able to enter the area. A day before we went to Disney Sea, I was monitoring the whole day kung available ang DPA sa app. And it was available the whole day a day before we went. That's why come Tuesday, our Disney Sea day, hindi pa kami nagmadali na umalis sa hotel since malapit nga lang kami sa Disney. We left the hotel at 9 o'clock and the park opens at 9 o'clock a.m. We arrive at Disney Sea at 9:30 kaya wala na ring pila nung pumasok kami. We went straight to the guest services to check if we can still buy DPA or get standby passes at Fantasy Springs. The only available that was given to us was a standby pass at Peter Pan. I was really hoping to get Frozen or Tangled. So kinuha pa rin namin since standby pass naman siya, so wala naman kaming binayaran. We thought once we entered Fantasy Springs, pwede naman namin pilahan na lang si Tangled and Frozen. So we were given the standby pass at 7 o'clock p.m. So gabi na siya, the park closes at 9 o'clock p.m. Pero no guys, once you entered Fantasy Springs area, hindi ka talaga makakasakay sa mga rides doon kung wala kang standby pass or DPA na QR codes of the rides. So for us, we only have a standby pass of Peter Pan, kaya Peter Pan lang yung masasakyan namin na ride. But we can definitely go around the Fantasy Springs area and take some pictures. But wait, there's more guys. You have to stay tuned on my next vlogs to know what happened to us at the Fantasy Springs area. For now, we will show you first yung mga rides na nasakyan namin whole day at Disney Sea. We were able to enjoy 10 rides and attractions for one whole day at the park.
Bye bye. High five. Okay. Have a nice trip. Thank you. Dapat nag-rent ka. Para dito kayo.
The wait times on their app is very accurate. If it's 60 minutes on the app, it is really 60 minutes waiting time. For our first attraction, it is Soaring Fantastic Flight. I think we lined up for 60 minutes for this ride and masanay na kayo guys na pagpasok nyo sa loob ng mga attractions at Disneyland parks, paikot pa yung pila talaga. So better to bring with you foldable umbrellas, caps, and water tumblers.
最初に飛ばした紙飛行機が空高く舞い上がった時、空を飛ぶという私の夢を多くの人と分かち合い協力し、空を飛ぶさまざまな手段を開発したのです。そして空を飛びたいと願い続ければ素晴らしい技術が生まれ、ファンタスティックフライトを楽しんできてくださいね。ボンビアッチョ。
飛び立ってください。ブオンビアッチョ。
No. That's what happens with climate change. Based on an iceberg. I thought people get wet.
Oh, we're on Australia na. Nakakatakot.
Mommy is. Oh, my legs are actually shaking, so yes.
Oh, China!
The Great Wall of China. There's a house.
Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
I'm gone.
I'm Taj Mahal, anak.
Washington!
Wow!
My legs are shaking! Look, there's people above you and you're scared.
Yeah. They're even higher. Oh no, it's cold.
My legs are shaking because I'm not scared. I'm cold. It's so cold.
Are you not scared?
You're not scared,
It's
anak?
cold. Give me a jacket or
You
something.
know?
I'm not scared.
Oh my God. Wow, it's so nice.
Wait,
Ah, Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo.
Wow! Dito marami magandang view. Dito marami magandang view. This is the yeah. Wow.
We're in the center of the ocean.
4-hour second attraction, we rode the journey to the center of the earth. Kami lang ng anak ko ang sumakay dito at nagpaiwan si hubby. Etong ride na to guys, madilim siya sa loob, roller coaster siya with no loops, pero may one drop siya in the end. Say bye-bye!
Of lightning, there was fire on mommy's side. Then there was a sudden burst of lightning.
Then drop, right?
Then
Drop.
like thunder's face mountain.
Doon sa gitna.
Kaya, diba? Right? There's a big monster, and then after the monster is the drop. The lightning. Yeah, the drop. The lightning and then the danger.
Danger. Danger, danger. Lahat ng bata nakinginig paglabas eh. Good choice, good choice.
Ito, Miguel. Sabi niya, going.
For our third attraction, we rode the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Para kang sasakay ng submarine dito and you will see different creatures. Madilim siya guys, so I don't recommend this for little ones. Although hindi naman masyadong mauga yung ride, yun lang medyo scary lang siya for the young ones.
Is it worth it for you not coming to the journey to the center of the earth? So that you can be happy?
根本船長大好きな不思議な影を捉えました
The whole row in front.
建造物
You could have come, the whole row in front was open.
Kasi dalawa, wala.
What's this? It moves the light! It moves the Ah, Daddy, jump back! Daddy, jump back! It moves the light!
What light? Ah, that's the light.
It moves the light. That's what it does.
船長潜水艇防御装置が作動しました 多くの謎が眠っている。我々の研究と探検。
After our third ride, we decided to go back in front of the mountain to watch the Fantasy Springs special greeting, which is our fourth attraction for the day. you guys. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next vlog.